Yeah, welcome to Kelo TV, where we learn how to create a website, how to create a game, and how to create an app. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to create a game. So the example of the game we'll be creating, let me show you here. After you create this successful game, you'll be able to earn some income out of it because you're going to monetize this with Google AdMob. Okay, so here you can see this is the screenshot of the game which I installed on my phone. So going to show you, and you can see the AdMob banner art here. So you can see this game I use only two AI. Number one, I use ChatGPT to write the prompt because you need to understand what you're creating. If you don't have the idea, you can head to ChatGPT and explain how you want it. Okay, so I'll show you all what I did. Okay, so this is how I was able to create this with AI. Okay, so this is how it works, and you can see the banner art. Okay, so here we add to ChatGPT, and you can see the prompt which I give, which I said write complete prompt with all the functionality of this game. Though I started from the beginning so it understand what I was talking about. So here I decided to stop asking ChatGPT. So I decided to ask so that the AI give me the prompt, because I understand with ChatGPT it cannot write complete code or a long code for you. So that is why I decided to collect only the prompt. If I scroll, you see it takes me step by step. Okay, but for some of you who doesn't know coding and you want to go with me by creating this, so you don't need to go with ChatGPT because it's actually it's code, but it doesn't code a long code. It is only going to take you slowly by slowly, as you move on. So it will be asking you to be creating files inside your folder where you will be having HTML, index.html, JavaScript, and all of that. So it's going to be asking you to do all of that. So that is why I decided to come with the idea. Let me have the prompt, and I copy all the prompt, and I head back to okay. After I copy all the prompts from here, okay, you can see from here I stopped and I head to DeepSeek. I don't know if you know much more about it. If you don't know, this is the website deepseek.com. So this is where I head to, and when I came, this is the first what I did. I wrote that write all the code in one file. So I now put what I copied, which says I want you to create a full functionality block for game similar to terrorist block, Fuzu, but not, falling block. So this is the prompt. If you go here, is the same prompt. So I decided to go with it this way. But sometimes you need to take your time to read all what the prompt is all about. So because if there's some things which you don't like, because you can see from here there's something I don't like, but I went with it because later on I was able to tell the DeepSeek. Okay, I was able to tell DeepSeek that no. Okay, so as you can see, it started generating. Okay, I copied this block, I tested, it was good, but I still had some. I asked, okay, let me take you through. So from here, I, okay, okay, so from here, I decided to say something. Okay, I will take you. Okay, here I decided to say I want the block to be coming from from up to down slowly while the player or the user will be arranging the block. So now the DeepSeek understand what I'm talking about, and it says falling block, and he said here is the update version where blocks fall from the top while the player arrange them. So this is another code. So you have to continue adding some functionality, making your game look unique, and professional. So if you're looking for a way to earn income with this, you have to be serious, because you need to create, I always say this, you need to make your game unique, interesting, to users and all of that. Okay, and from here I still said it's good. Okay, it's good hard background sound, losing sound, and also winning sound. Let the score be counted as well. Okay, so it came again with a new version of the code. So this is how you keep talking. You need to check if your game, anything, any design you don't want, you can talk to the AI and it will do that for you. So as you can see, this is the last version. And one thing good about DeepSeek, you can even run your game from here. You can see the run button. It will also run the game, which you see. So if you don't like it, the background, everything you do, and then you have access to view it from here, not till you put it somewhere or you have to go all through long process. So that is how it works. So this is the last code. I think I got yes. So okay, and I didn't continue with any other. Okay, so here I copy the code. After you have the code, there's so many method that you can use this code to have a game, to convert it to APK file. So which I always discuss several times, but let me go with this particular one. So let me go to with App Creator 24. So here you head to this website and you sign up an account, or if you have an account, you log in. So you have to click on okay, here you put your name, your country, your email ID, your password, and you accept terms of service, and you click send. Okay, so here you can see we have signed successfully. Here you click on create account, you put your app name, your logo, you can select from here, or you create yours as well and upload yourself. Here you put the description, here you go next. After you have created successfully, you will land to this page where you can see all these options. So you go to section, you click on create a new section, you select HTML, because that is what we are going to use this code. This is where we want to host it here to have our app ready for us. Okay, you click here and you click on next, you move on. Here you delete everything here and you put the code which we got from DeepSeek. Here you write the name of the game, because here we give the game name. Okay, here you can see the name, you can see falling block. You give the same thing and you click save changes. So once you click on save changes, it's done. Now the next thing is now how to monetize the game. Okay, here you have to go to your to art. First of all, before you go to art, you need to go to general info and you go to name and icon. Here you're going to go down where you see you have to put the app ID. Understand the difference between the app ID and okay, this is where you put the app ID, and here this sorry okay, here on the app section, this is where you put the unit ID. So there's difference between these two. App ID are the same, but unit ID are not the same, because you're using only one app to get all the hard format. So that is why the add unit ID is different, but the app ID is the same. So it always give you two code. So one is for app ID and one is for ad unit ID. So that is how it is. You copy and you put the banner and the all the different app, because it has all this list of different types of app as well from the ad mob account. Okay, so after done, you can click changes and you're good to go. Your game is ready. Here you can come in here. Okay, you can see your game, it's ready. Sometimes if you see if there's so many users on the platform, you see that it will be, you know, counting, telling you that there's 410 users and you have to wait. So that is when you see this button, you refresh, later on you see that it will be active. So once it's active, you can download the apk file where you are now ready to upload it in any of the recommended app store by AdMob. So by doing this, AdMob is going to make sure your game is live on any of the supported app store. Then they will now activate the account for you and ads will start showing on your app. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it down here. I'm always ready to answer you. I'm ready always to reply to you, always to guide you guys, always to teach you guys. Love you so much and bye for now.